Hello and welcome back to this series of videos on the Upbox Plus 3D printer. In this video we will teach you how to print a part from the CAD model. First, open the part which you would like to print in the CAD software of your choice. Then, save it as an STL file from the Save As drop-down menu. Once that's done, you can go ahead and close CATIA. Then, open Up Studio, the software specific to the Upbox Plus 3D printer. Click the Up icon represented by a cube. From there, click the plus sign on the left-hand toolbar, then click Add 3D Model, and a window will open for you to choose the STL file that you have saved previously. When the part appears on the screen, click Auto Place. You can then adjust the scale of your print compared to the size of the design. As well as move the print using the mouse and change the orientation of the print. The X, Y and Z allow you to set coordinates manually instead of using the mouse. Once you are happy with the part, plug the printer into your laptop. The top left drop-down menu will allow you to select it if the software hasn't done so automatically. You can also see the head temperature, the bed temperature, and the material used. It is important to fix the bed with the clamps provided in order to keep it steady during the printing process. Now, you can go ahead and initialize the printer by clicking the anti-clockwise arrow on the left-hand toolbar. This will only take a few seconds, but it will ensure a more accurate print. When you click Print, this brings up the print settings which allow you to toggle the infill, the quality, and more. We will cover these settings in another video. Always preheat, unless doing consecutive prints. Now, click on Maintenance, and make sure that the print board is correctly selected. If in doubt, ask a member of staff. We have used the UpFlex board in this video. Now, you can press the Preview button, wait for the software to slice the print, to check the individual layers, as well as the scale and supports, to get a better idea of what the print will look like. Finally, if you are happy with the result, you can go ahead and click the Print button at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can now unplug your laptop and wait for the part to print.